All right, so I'm gonna walk you through a really cool workflow that we have at photoboothtemplates.com. For this complete workflow, you do need to be a Discount Club member, but if you're not, you can still use any of the tools without. So I have our widget pulled up right now. So this is an embeddable catalog that can go into your website. It will look just like this. You can customize colors, themes, shapes, and stuff. That's for a whole nother discussion, but I'll click here. I'm gonna do a postcard. We'll do a 4-up here. So this is just a quick demo I'm going to show. So I'm going to say I'm John Doer. That way I got something new in my list over here. This is a sample. Say January 10th. This is going to be John and Jane Doer. And let's go ahead and put our date down below that. This is just so we can see this. So I'm gonna go ahead and do confirm. So this is the process your client will go through when selecting from your website. And then from there, what we can do is we're gonna come over to Templates Manager. We're gonna come into Client Selections. We'll do a refresh on that. And there it is. So I'm gonna select John Doer. This is my selection. As you can see, this is the template that I selected. And it's got our information here, John and Jane Doer, 1/10/2016, along with my additional notes. Now on my widget, I did not have color changes. If you have color changes selected, then those will show up here also. Now another cool thing, this is already in my collection, so Templates Manager lets me know this. I can go over here and see it real quick. I come back here, and then here's where the rest of the workflow goes. So I'm gonna create a client one. So it is associated with this client. And I'm just gonna put the name of the client right here. I'm gonna call it Prince actually, just for our sample. And we'll go see that here. So here it is. And I can now filter that. So this will be only ones that are associated with John. And then from there, I can go open it in PSD. As you can see, I never touched the file system. I can do this really fast. Really helping with the workflow. We've got a lot of cool new stuff going into Templates Manager and the widget in 2026. So I hope you found this cool. If you're interested in learning more, go ahead and send us an email at support@photoboothtemplates.com or hit myself, Mike Bender, up with a private DM, or just sign up for a discount club and we'll help you get started with that.